Missed a credit card payment? First, don't panic. It happens. And the good news is your credit score can recover. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it, which apps can help, how to set them up, and how to stick to a budget, especially if you're a student getting your finances on track. Let's start with what actually happens when you miss a payment. If you're less than 30 days late, your credit card company probably hasn't reported it yet. So make that payment immediately. If it's been over 30 days, your score might drop anywhere from 50 to 100 points, depending on your history. But that drop doesn't last forever, and you can take action now to turn it around. Here's your step-by-step plan. Step 1. Make the payment now. Even if you're late, every day counts. The longer it's unpaid, the more it hurts. Step 2. Call your credit card issuer. If this is your first missed payment, there's a good chance they'll give you a one-time pass and remove the late mark. Be honest and polite. Step 3. Set up automatic payments. Use your card's app or website. Set it for at least the minimum payment so you never miss a due date. Step 4. Check your credit report. Use tools like annualcreditreport.com or apps like Credit Karma. Make sure the late payment shows only once and dispute any errors. Step 5. Rebuild with good habits. Keep credit use under 30%, make future payments on time, and hold off on applying for new credit. Time and consistency will lift your score. Now let's talk about budgeting, because the best way to avoid missed payments is knowing where your money is going. Here are some top apps to help track your budget and credit, with pros and cons. Credit Karma is free, gives alerts, and includes a score simulator. Downside? It uses Vantage Score, not FICO, and pushes a lot of ads. Next is Mint, now absorbed into platforms like Monarch Money. It tracks spending, sends bill alerts, and helps with budgeting. But it's been buggy lately with syncing issues. Then there's YNAB. You need a budget. It teaches you to assign every dollar a job, great for students learning money management. It costs money and has a learning curve, but it's worth it. Another option is Rocket Money. It tracks subscriptions and spending, and even negotiates bills. Some features are behind a paywall, but it's solid for managing everything in one place. Once you pick an app, here's how to set it up. Download the app, link your bank accounts, enter your income and expenses, and create categories: rent, groceries, funds, savings, whatever fits your lifestyle. Set alerts for due dates and low balances. Then do a 10-minute check-in weekly to stay on track. Sticking to your budget is about consistency. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. Set reminders, find an accountability buddy, and don't beat yourself up if you slip. Adjust and keep going. One missed payment doesn't define your future. It's a lesson, not a failure. With the right steps and tools, you can bounce back stronger than before. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite budgeting or credit app? Let me know in the comments. Your suggestion could help someone else too. If this helped, subscribe for more real-world money tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.